thing I see there. I don't know what it is, ma'am. Good morning. Today traveling Bangkok, Sanam Lampung, Sanam Long, Sanam Long. Very beautiful place in Bangkok, Sanam Long. Sanam Long, Sanam Long. Here is a royal place, royal garden. Yes, viewers, today I just come here in Sanam Long, Sanam Long. This is the royal palace and royal garden and royal memory, old story, old village, royal village. So this is the village map, and this is the whole story of this picture. This hall is very big and more than people is visitor here Chinese. This is for waiting hall. Somebody come here is free, but after that you can go information. I asked already there. The entry fees is 500 Thai baht. Can go inside the very beautiful area, but entry fees 500 baht. So I hope everybody come here and go to this place. Is very beautiful, royal place. And that one is the information window. And this is very beautiful building, red color building. I don't know actually what is this inside, but right now I am exit from underground that side. The Killa, Royal and Tampo, there is almost beautiful place. This is the royal place, beautiful. อันนี้เราก็จะขอขอบคุณรถธรรมนัสคู่นี้นะครับน่าจะเป็นตัวติดแถวสู่กันไปสู่กันหนึ่งแล้วนะครับสิ่งที่ก่อนเลยนะครับเราค่อยมาแจ้งนะครับเราเป็นข้อมูลการสืบก็ต้องรู้ว่าจะเป็นกระบะนะครับจะต้องรู้นะครับ Many beautiful places here. Very, very nice. Yes, a very beautiful place in Bangkok, this area. Royal family, king area. And right now I have to go inside. This garden is very beautiful, but the main gate entry I will see first which side is the main gate entry. Very beautiful. Yes, this garden entry free. Garden is very beautiful. Yes, Thailand is very beautiful. Almost viewers is right now is climate is very hot here in Thailand. I think it's 34, 35 degree today. Can I see my watch? Is how many degree? Oh, 33 right now. But the weather is cloudy sky view and maybe raining after I don't know what time is, but almost raining in Thailand every 2 days, 3 days finish raining. So something is closing because right now is some repairing here. The workers is working here right now. So maybe Intersea is closing right now. Garden is very beautiful and more color flowers here. Nice place. Yes, viewers, here is something I see there. I don't know what it is, ma'am.